What's up, True Beauty fam, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Welcome to TrueeBeautyy7 and welcome to the True Beauty family. We would definitely love to have you, so go ahead and click that subscribe button and become part of the True Beauty family. So for today's look, I did this look yesterday? No. A couple days ago? Thursday. Yeah, a couple days ago I did this look.
Stop following me with the chicken.
There's a lot going on. And I really liked it. I had wished that I filmed it, so here I am filming it for you guys. If y'all want to do this look for prom, you could. That's completely up to you, but I really liked how this look came out. So if you want to achieve this look, then go ahead and continue watching, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I've already done one eye off of camera. Okay. As I was saying, I've already done one eye off of camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye. I love this look so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the NYX Off Tropic palette, the Hasta La Vista one. And we're gonna start off with the pink shade that's in here. Okay, now we're gonna move on, and I'm gonna go into my BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette, and I'm dipping into the blue shade, and I'm gonna mix it with this kind of pinky purple shade, and then go back into the Hasta La Vista palette and mix the purple shade from that, and kind of just go back in the blue and back in the purple. These palettes are so freaking pigmented, like, it's ridiculous. Okay, go back to the first brush that we used and take some of that pink shadow. And I'm just going back in with what's left on our second brush. I haven't added any extra product. Now I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural and just do a quick little cut crease. And I'm taking a flat brush . So now I'm going, oh my god, I just got freaking, oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm taking the white eyeshadow from the BH Cosmetics palette and I'm just patting it onto my lid. Now with the last brush that we used, I'm going to kind of finesse the crease. I'm gonna take the first brush and take a little bit of pink and just blend out the outer part. And I'm gonna take some of the NYX glitter primer. And if you guys hear anything in the background, my mom and sister are coming in from the store, so. I'm just gonna take it and put it on the outer corner of my eye.
I'm being greeted by 4 lights.
Because she loves you. The glitter I'm using today is from Mo Glitz and Glam, and this is the glitter in Motivation. Now I'm gonna get a makeup wipe and just clean up the excess.
Your light is like flickering red back here.
Gonna do my face now, and I haven't primed yet, so I'm just gonna take some time to do that now. And I'm going in with my Fenty primer. I'm gonna take my foundation in the shade 430 and mix that with my Maybelline BB Bronze. Why this is making me look orange. I promise you guys in real life I do not look like this. Like, I promise y'all I don't. But anyways, gonna move on to concealer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer. And I'm just gonna use it in tandem with my Fenty concealer. And I have the Fenty concealer in the shade 410, just in case you did not know that. And I'm gonna go ahead and go wet my sponge because I didn't do that prior to filming, so I'm just gonna do that really quick. I did everything off camera, like I said, my concealer, blended it, and then I did my contour. So we're doing highlight. And today my highlight is Artist Couture and Jackie Aina. We are gonna go ahead and do mascara. for my lashes today, I'm just using some Amazon ones that I have. They're nothing too fancy. So, yeah. I'm probably going to do that off camera. So, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
We want you to see your birthday trip.
Hey guys, so for my lips, I'm taking my trusty Dusty, which is the NYX Slim Lip Pencil in the shade Espresso.
Did you say trusty Dusty?
Yeah. And I'm gonna be taking ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Viper. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below on some more videos that you would like to see, makeup related or not. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on my notification bell because a lot of y'all are not subscribed, but y'all keep coming back to watch. So you might as well subscribe to the channel and become a part of the True Beauty family.
Facts.
And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.